What's up guys, this is Lord Aizen, welcome back to my channel. Dragon Ball has over a dozen forms for Saiyans at this point, and that number is only growing higher. The franchise is still thriving today as a movie is in the works, and the Dragon Ball Super manga is chugging along. Of course, Super Dragon Ball Heroes is also thriving, and the side series just put a name to Vegeta's new form. For those of you out of the loop, will Vegeta manage to unlock a new power as of late? Dragon Ball Heroes revealed the transformation in its most recent episode, and we were left guessing about its name. Now, the secret is out, and it is certainly a mouthful. According to new reports from Japan, Vegeta's new form is known as Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan Controlled Berserk. Or if you want to shorten the name, you can call it Super Saiyan Blue Controlled Berserk. That gets rid of a few words, right? This name is hilariously long, but it does sound out the form exactly. When this Dragon Ball power-up is used, Vegeta goes Super Saiyan Blue, and that form is layered with Berserker energy similar to Cumber. However, Vegeta is able to control the evil energy, and that gives him a significant power boost, while still retaining his battle style. Obviously, this form is considered non-canon for most, but its design has piqued enough attention to warrant further exploration. Super Dragon Ball Heroes isn't bogged down by canon restrictions, so forms like this are totally doable. And if we are being honest, I'm kind of loving this no-holds-barred approach. What do you think of this mouthful of a name? Where does this Dragon Ball form rank on your list of favorites? Share your thoughts with me in the comments section below, or hit me up on Twitter at Lord Aizen Bankai. Till next time, peace.